Hello humans, Seyeren here, and in today's video I'm going to be decorating my new desktop with stickers I've collected over the years. Okay, so I'm really excited for today's little DIY project. I have worked at 2 different smoke shops and collected a lot of stickers over the years. I'm kind of weird in the fact that I save things for the right time and the right moment, but you can repurchase stickers. I don't know why I get that wrapped in my head so much. I have a bunch of really cool stickers that I'm really excited. This one's actually my oldest sticker that I have in the bunch. I got it from Trish. I don't know if you can read that, but a childhood friend. Trish, shout out to you. So I'm excited to finally put it on something. So yeah, I'm gonna switch the video over to time-lapse, and yeah, I think it'll be cool to kind of watch everything unfold in time-lapse formation. So let's go to that. Okay guys, so that was me designing my desktop. I really like the way it turned out. I had a lot of stickers to work with, so I actually ended up putting some on the side, like you guys saw in the video. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching me put the stickers on my computer. If you had a favorite sticker, let me know in the comments below what your favorite sticker was. And if you guys like these little kind of DIY project time-lapse videos, let me know in the comments below. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel and tap that bell so you can see notifications of when I post a new video every single Wednesday. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one.